Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming with my new camera. If you guys saw I don't even know actually if I mentioned that I have a new camera, but my hair tutorial video that I uploaded, that is the first time I used my new camera, and I'm still getting used to the settings and stuff. The camera that I have is the Sony a6600, so I love this camera. The picture is amazing. Today I'm going to be doing a little hair tutorial for you guys. I got out of the shower like 30 minutes ago and my hair is kind of air dried a little bit already. The products that I'm going to be using today is this Ego Boost from Bedhead. It's called the Split End Mender. This is a leave-in conditioner. I always use this on my hair before I blow dry my hair. It smells real nice and it leaves my hair feeling very soft. I also use this Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. It's really great for the frizz and for, you know, the shininess, and just makes my hair look really healthy. I love it. From time to time, I also use this 12 Benefits Instant Healthy Hair Treatment. So this is basically like a hair treatment for your hair. I love this stuff. The blow dryer that I'm using is from Paul Mitchell. As you guys can see, this is like super old. I used this blow dryer when I was in hair school back in 2014. So this hair dryer has lasted a long number of years, and I actually use this on my clients, but since I haven't been, you know, taking any appointments or anything lately, I've just been using this blow dryer and I love it. The motor is still so strong on it and it's pretty expensive, but it's so worth it. Now we can move on to the actual hair stuff. So first thing I do is I spray the 12 Benefits in my hair, like so. I spray this stuff all over because I want shiny, tangle-free hair from my roots to my end. Alright, and then I like to go with my hair pick and just brush it through. And sometimes this stuff doesn't even like do the job for me, this hair pick, but for the most part it does what I need. My god, it's crazy in here. I'm just telling you. It's super crazy. Now I'm going to go in with this Split End Mender. My hair, when it gets long, it gets tons of split ends, so I love this stuff for that because I'm trying to grow out my hair again. I don't even know why I cut it. I feel like ever since I cut it, I really can't do much with my hair because, you know, if I want to put it in a high pony, my hair isn't long enough to like come down or whatever. I don't know. They say short hair is in now, so we'll see how this goes. This is what happens when I just let my hair air dry. Can you guys see all that? Like, it's hard. Like, I'm not even gonna try. Alright, I'm gonna go in now with this Bedhead Smoothing Cream, and I'm just going to get that much. Can you guys see that? Tell me how you guys like this camera in comparison to my other one. How is the quality? How is the voice of it? You know, like, is it more clear? Do you guys like my old camera better? Let me know your feedback in the comments below because I want to give you guys the best experience as possible. So let me know and I will listen. So the top half of my hair is already dry because I've left it for about 35 to 40 minutes now, but the bottom of my hair is still wet. And that's typical for my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm dry this in two different sections. If I get this thing to separate. So I'm just going to show you guys how I blow dry now. That's one section done. Let's take down, I'm going to section this top part off. This is why, because if I were to dry this, can I see this? big knot. This is what happens when I don't dry my hair right away. I get big knots like these. Hair. Alright, so this is the finished product and I love it. I love anytime my hair looks like this. It feels so good, smells so good. It's like fresh hair, and if I could have this hair every day, then I would. Yeah, this is how I blow dry my hair, and those are the products that I use. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, thumbs it up, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.